Hi, I'm Tracy from Poppy Lady, Poppie lady.com, and Instagram is at Poppy Lady. And I wanted to share my favorite travel tips with you, which is to pack something like this. You can find a similar bag at Target or somewhere like that. And I always restock it when I come back from vacation so that it's always ready to go whenever I plan a trip. So in the top container, I have Q-tips, bobby pins, hair product, deodorant, wipes on the go if I'm traveling and just at the airport really want to quickly freshen up. In this middle one I have toothbrush, toothpaste, floss, and then down here I have all of my toiletries, so shampoo, conditioner, lotion, body wash, razor, hairspray, dry shampoo, you name it. So I also try to find really luxurious versions of the products that I like so that it feels extra fancy when I'm traveling. And then again, I only restock when I come back from vacation. I know what is missing, and so months or weeks later when I'm traveling, I just toss this in my suitcase and it's so easy and ready to go. The other tip I have is to always keep your makeup in something that's easy to toss in your bag and go. So I keep everything in here. It's from Target. And when I'm again ready to plan a vacation, I just close the top like that and it's ready to be packed. And then I'll just toss a curling iron in my bag and it's so fast. It's literally the best tip that I have. And then also I love to give those fully stocked with luxurious body products to my friends who are going on their honeymoons, and it's a really fun gift for them to use on their honeymoon and for the rest of their time with trips while they're married. So thank you so much. If you have any travel tips or other tips, please send them my way. I'm always collecting them, and thank you so much for watching.